I made this off 2 Walsh Chick Shot, got hungry, and went to Bella Vista Italian Restaurant in Fruit Cove, Florida, where I became a chef, and started cooking their classic cacio e pepe pasta right in this delicious cheese wheel. You cannot get more authentic than this. Serve the pasta on the plate, insane good. Pepper it up and eat, capiche? Chicken parmigiana bruschetta, insalata di mele, calamari, and the margarita pizza. Yes, sir. Finished off with the tiramisu, cheesecake, and cannolis. I approve. My favorite thing in the world might be Nutella, and here they're combined with Nutella and pizza, the Nutella pizza. Grazie.